Good afternoon. It's September 11, 2024. We're critiquing the news, and the article at hand is titled Pharmacist Delivers Whooping Cough Drug. It's from the Cairns Post. In the article, there's a discussion of a rather excellent young pharmacist in Cairns who is compounding essential drugs for treating whooping cough in children that have become hard to get. Now, the COVID-era supply chain disruptions revealed that one of the most dire negative outcomes of the Labor and Liberal Party's decisions to export our manufacturing industries to any overseas countries, basically, but mainly they went to Asia after the 1975 Lima Declaration, is that we can't mass produce our own medications. Now, even despite the fact that pharmaceutical manufacturing is spread around the globe, most precursor chemicals for their manufacture are made in China. So, after COVID, did we see the Labor and Liberal governments attempt to bring pharmaceutical manufacturing home, or really any form of manufacturing? Well, no, they didn't lift a finger. So now we're reading about a local pharmacist who is compounding azithromycin locally on a micro scale, when it's not just a treatment for whooping cough, it's actually a treatment for all coronaviruses, including COVID. So quite early in the COVID pandemic, or panicdemic as I like to call it, two Australian medical researchers, Professor Kylie Wagstaff and Professor Thomas Borody, independently established that azithromycin taken with zinc and ivermectin as a zinc ionophore, along with vitamins C and D, cured COVID, meaning there was never a basis for the emergency use approval for the injections, and the coercion, the mandates, the bullying were all completely unwarranted. So all the COVID era hysteria was unwarranted, and both branches of the Labor-Liberal Uni Party knew it. But they were, as usual, implementing the agenda of unelected foreign billionaires at the expense of the Australian people. Trust in injections and the medical establishment is at an all-time low due to the side effects of the forced jabs, which the dedicated Federal Senate Committee, we heard in the last day or so, refuses to face up to. We're not going to get the truth of the COVID-era abuses of our human rights by our own governments until we get rid of the truth-suppressing Labor-Liberal Uni Party.